Hey everyone, welcome to Smart Tech. Viewers, in front of you right now Epson Ink tank printer. The model number is L3160 and this is actually print, copy, scan and Wi-Fi direct LCD screen printer. With one full tank you can print more than 8,000 black pages and 6,000 around color pages. Just a while ago I refilled the tanks and now I will give the print command and we'll see how's the quality, and if there is any issue we will fix it today. Stay with me, watch the complete video to learn about L3160. Okay, I am on the screen right now and the driver is already has been installed. I will give the print test page command. Okay, come to the screen here. It started printing. Check it out. Okay, here we go. Okay, guys, you can see there is nothing on the page. Full blank page. Okay, so first we will flush the inks using a maintenance utility. Then we will see again. I will click on close. Go to preferences. We'll start the process from here. After clicking maintenance, then power cleaning, I will press next, click on both options, press next, start. Okay, it started power ink flushing. And what is the message? Power cleaning cannot be completed. Your printer may have enough power cleaning. Follow instruction, print LCD screen. Okay, it's asking to go to screen. The amount of ink may be insufficient for proper operation. Select reset ink level to refill ink. Okay, we have to reset the ink levels. Okay, how can we reset the ink levels? I have one way. I will go to quick reset utility. Quick reset. We will reset the ink levels. There is a quick reset utility. There is no option to reset ink levels, so hopefully we will find here. Look, this option we can bring from here. We press on home, go press settings, maintenance, then right 3, 4, 5 option, reset ink levels. We'll press start. It's asking me to press start. Okay to proceed. Make sure to match the color of ink. Okay to proceed. Fill and then how to proceed. Click on all options, then okay to select cancel, then press start. Reset complete. Check if ink level is above or lower. Okay, done. Okay guys, now we will go back and start again ink flush option, power cleaning, asking please wait. We can do it from here also. Leave this utility in the computer. Go to settings, maintenance, nozzle check, head cleaning, power cleaning. Click on power cleaning. Okay to proceed. Okay, done. What it's asking to start it from application. Let's see, head cleaning. Head cleaning, clean print head to correct missing dots. Start cleaning. No problem. This is also open. We'll see from here. Next. Before a while it gave an error about reset ink levels. We resetted the ink levels. Now we start from here, power cleaning option. You click on there is enough ink, an interval, press next. Actually the issue came with when we refill the tanks. The printer was thinking still there is no ink. Okay, we'll start. Let's see, is it starting? Please wait. should start now. Okay, started here. Come to the screen. You can see cleaning. Please wait. The message in the screen is that power cleaning takes a few minutes to complete. Power cleaning is complete when the power light on the control panel stops flashing. Yes, this is the light is flashing right now. It should become stable. So stay with me. Hold on. Let it complete the cleaning, and we will print the page again. Test page. Okay, power cleaning finished, and with the messages there, clean printhead to correct missing dots. We will press start cleaning. Let's see. Without being testing the page, let's start clean. It's saying that cleaning, do not turn the power on until complete. This will take about 10 minutes. Let it complete, then we will check the print quality, guys. Hopefully it will work. Okay guys, this process has been finished. Hold on, check why. Yeah, cleaning complete. Check it if nozzles are not clogged. We will not check the nozzle. We press finish. Okay, we'll go back from here. I will give command from here, from my computer. Print test page. Let's see. Start printing, guys. Okay, as you can see, before the page was totally black and white, and this is now printed well. I'll show you the whole page. There was the whole page was totally white, and look, you can see after cleaning the print head and ink brushing utility, it's working fine. It's now completely fixed. Yes viewers, hope you understand the method to fix your printer L3160 and 3166 and 4160 is the same model. You can fix your printer at home. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. I will reply your queries, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, guys. Take care. Bye.